This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
In this video, we'll be looking at how to apply a CSS filter to an image on your Squarespace site without affecting any of the other images. So here we have two images. This is one here, which is full color, and this one normally is a colored image, but we've applied the grayscale filter so it appears gray. So it applies only on this image and not this other one here on the page. So I'll show you how to get that done. So here's what the default look of the site is, where there are two images and both of them have color on them, but we're going to apply grayscale just on this one and not any of the other images on the page or on the site. So the first thing we need to do is to get the block ID for this image. So we're going to right click on it and go to inspect element. All right, so I'm going to just scroll up a bit. So what we're looking for is a div that has an ID starting with the word block. And it also needs to cover the image when you hover over it. So as I scroll up, I'm looking for that. It's not this because it starts with YUI. Same thing here. Same thing on this. Same thing. And this is what we're looking for. It's a div that when you hover over it, it covers the image block. It has an ID starting with the word block. And this is exactly what we're looking for. So we're going to just double click here. And I'm going to hit Control C to copy. Close that. Now we're going to go into the back end of the site. We're going to click Design, then Custom CSS. And here we're going to first type hashtag and then Control V to paste in our block ID. Next, we're going to add our open and closing curly braces. And between those, we're going to add our filter. I type in filter : grayscale 100%. And then I'm going to add the semicolon at the end. So you're going to save those changes. And as you can see on the site, the image with the block ID that we use is now grayscale. And the other image on the site is just perfectly colored and fine. All right, so that's it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.